how I own a US bank account right in Nigeria. So I'm living in Nigeria, I'm not outside the country, and I own a US bank account in Nigeria. So over the past few weeks, I made a video whereby a lot of people has been asking me I should show them how I own a US bank account right in Nigeria. And I'm going to explain that to you, show you that to you in this particular video. So it's not really a long process. All you need to do is just see what I am doing and watch this video till the end. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right now. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop more of the videos for you on this particular channel. So right on the screen, you can see I've done a lot of transactions on this particular account right here, and I'm going to show you right on this particular account. So this is it. This is the account. I own a US account right here, and I own a Naira account, as you can see on the screen. And also I own a virtual card which I can use for payment in dollars. So it's actually a dollar card which I can use for payment everywhere. And you can see I've been using it for my PayPal payment all this while. And what is that particular program that gives you this access? So this is it. This particular Nigerian corporation called the RizNet, they partner with US bank and they provide a service for them, and they're going to give you a US bank account directly in Nigeria. So right here you can see I have a US dollar card right here which I can use for my payment, and you can see all I have a card limit also of $7,000 daily and $21,000 in a month on the card limit. And if you come over to the account right here, you can see this is my Nigeria account, and US account I have $0.12 right there. My UK account is $0, and my Euro account I don't have that yet. But for the US account right now, you can see I've done a lot of transaction on the US account, and I'm going to show you how the accounts look like. But firstly, you need to download the application. This is not a sponsored ad, for real. I've been using, if you see the transaction, I've been using it since 2025, not even 2026. If you come over to the transaction right here, I've been using it since 2025 right here. So let me just show you. And you can see right on the screen, you can see May 2026. If I scroll down, I have up to 2025 also. So right now, first thing you need to do is go over to your Play Store and download the application called the RizNet. So this is the application called the RizNet, and if there's a referral link, I can put it in the description of this video. Maybe I can earn a little commission if you use it. But now, just this is the application right now, and if you open it, just come over to the application just like this, and you can come over to account, and on the Naira you can get an account. I have an account on the Naira, and if you come over to the dollar right here, you can get an account. So create a US bank account. You can see right on the screen, you can create a USDC wallet, and the best part of this is that you can actually get you can convert your dollar into crypto, or you can convert your crypto into dollar. So right, create a US bank account, and this is it right here. It says your money is held in a licensed bank, support local bank transfer and international bank transfer via Swift. Transfer usually take 1 to 2 business days. Payments from unverified source are not supported. 0.8% with a minimum of $1.5. So tap on continue, and it's going to open a US bank account for you. So right, I'm a freelancer, I'm a creator. I can just put that right in there and continue. On which platform do you create content? So I create content on YouTube right here. How much do you expect to receive in a month? Maybe less than $500. You need to upload your AdSense if you choose YouTube, and if you choose TikTok, you can just put that also. You can put any of those source of income right in there and just put it right there. If it is X, or anyway, if it is Facebook, other, you can just put other and put everything right in there, and you're going to open bank account for you in US. It's very, very easy. It's free of charge. They don't charge you for opening a US bank account for you. And if it is Euro, you can actually do that. So I've not used the bank account for a long time. That was why they took it away. But you can see I top up 23 euro right here, and you can see on the US I had transactions on it. So I've been using this account for a while. I just recently said, okay, let me just introduce it. Let me talk about it right here. This is actually going to give you a peaceful transaction and a US account which you can use anywhere, because freelancers, you can go out there and they request for payment, and they ask you for a US account, an account based in the US, and you might not have one. So this is actually going to help you out today. So that is it, guys, and that is it about RaceNet, and you can just jump on it, and that is it. And don't forget to give a subscribe, and also like this video, comment, share, and also turn on the post notification to get notified when I drop more of the videos for you on this particular channel. So thank you so much, and I'll be saying bye for now.